Hola, and welcome to Lisbon. This captivating city on the edge of Europe is a feast for the senses, with its colorful neighborhoods, charming yellow trams, and rich history that seems to seep from every cobblestone street. Today, we're diving into the heart of Lisbon, exploring the top 5 sites you just can't miss on your next Portuguese adventure. From grand plazas to hidden alleyways, Lisbon is best explored on foot, soaking in the sights, sounds, and smells of everyday life. So, grab your walking shoes, pack your sense of adventure, and let's get started with our top 5 must-see attractions in Lisbon. Our journey begins on the banks of the Tagus River at the iconic Belém Tower. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, built in the 16th century, stands as a testament to Portugal's age of discovery. The tower served as both a fortress, protecting Lisbon's harbour, and a ceremonial gateway for returning explorers. As you wander its ramparts, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the river and the city beyond. Look for the rhinoceros carving, a curious detail reflecting the exotic animals brought back from distant lands. Just a stone's throw from Belém Tower stands the Jerónimos Monastery, another stunning example of Manueline architecture, Portugal's unique blend of Gothic and Renaissance styles. This grand monastery, also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was built to commemorate Vasco da Gama's voyage to India. Step inside and be awestruck by the intricately carved stonework of the cloisters, a masterpiece of delicate detail. The church is equally impressive, with soaring ceilings and the tombs of Vasco da Gama and the celebrated poet Luís de Camões. Before you leave, indulge in a pastel de nata, a traditional Portuguese custard tart, at the famous bakery next door, a sweet treat with a long history. Let's hop aboard one of Lisbon's iconic yellow trams and climb the steep, narrow streets to Alfama, the city's oldest and most atmospheric district. This is where you'll find the true essence of Lisbon, a labyrinth of winding alleys, colorful houses adorned with azulejos, and the soulful sounds of fado music drifting from hidden taverns. Get lost in the maze of streets, discovering hidden squares and charming cafes around every corner. Visit the Museu do Fado to learn about the history of this melancholic music genre that embodies the soul of Portugal. As you explore Alfama, you'll encounter locals hanging out in doorways, children playing soccer in the streets, and the aroma of freshly baked bread wafting from local bakeries. Perched atop the highest hill in Lisbon, São Jorge Castle offers panoramic views that stretch across the city, the river, and the distant hills. Dating back to the Moorish era, this castle has witnessed centuries of history, from Roman rule to the Reconquista. Explore the castle walls, walk through the archaeological site within its grounds, and imagine the battles and sieges that unfolded here. The views from the ramparts are simply breathtaking, offering a unique perspective on Lisbon's layout. Check out the camera obscura, a fascinating optical device that projects realistic images of the city onto a screen inside the castle. For a taste of Lisbon's vibrant contemporary culture, head to LX Factory, a former industrial complex transformed into a hub of creativity. Located under the 25th of April Bridge, this trendy spot is a hive of activity, with independent shops, art studios, restaurants, and bars. Browse the unique offerings of local designers, grab a coffee at one of the many cafes, or simply soak up the creative energy that permeates the air. Check out Ler Devagar, a stunning bookstore housed in a former printing press, with floor-to-ceiling shelves and a whimsical atmosphere. On Sundays, LX Factory hosts a lively market with stalls selling everything from vintage clothing to handmade crafts. Well, there you have it. Our whirlwind tour of the top 5 must-see attractions in Lisbon. From historic landmarks to trendy neighborhoods, this city offers a captivating blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy travels, and we'll see you on the road.